So guys, this is literally my front yard. As you can see, no one is on the streets right now. Yeah, this is Houston, Texas, February 2021. We are in the middle of a snowstorm and it is 0 degrees right now. So yeah, with the wind chill, I think with the actual temperature is about 16 degrees and it is below 0 at this point. Guys, me and my husband have been here almost 2 years and we have never seen anything like this. This is like, it's not deep or anything, but oh, this is like the best snow to make a snowman. Oh wow, the absolute best snow to make a snowman. Just wanted to come on and show you guys.